Hi everyone, this is Shloka this side. Today we are going to discuss about the factors to consider while designing a business website. There are numerous platforms that have been enhanced to assist during the web designing process. Common software includes Dreamweaver, Java, HTML, WordPress and many other free open source softwares. The choice of software to use determines the end product. It is therefore very imperative that software creators uses the right software. This can be determined by the number of factors, templates provided, speed of creating the splash screen, costs, affordability, etc. There are some of the factors like number 1. Open source web design software provided creators with free platforms where they can enhance their software. They are cheap and very affordable. In addition, these websites are regularly updated by various creators around the world. Number 2. Security consideration and how to improve the web security during the design process is also one of the major concerns. Number 3. Various web design tools enable faster and regularly update of the web design. Number 4. Evaluation of different web design platforms. Both open source and premium paid platforms provide clients with different tools. Some platforms require well-trained professionals to write the code while others are simplified to operate using their high-level language and symbols. Number 5. How to minimize the web design costs and time using special templates that reduce time required to code instructions and also reduces the number of errors that one has to debug in the software. Web design process is one of the most important process in the enhancements of a website. Though there are many tools in software, they must choose the right tools to ensure that the design being enhanced is of high quality and has multiple functions. For more information, you can visit our corporate website on www.webmasterindia.com. You may also send us your requirements via email on biz@webmasterindia.com. To get a prompt response, we are available on WhatsApp as well as cell on +91 8866 143483 and +91 99045 39983. Our physical address is 411 Opal Infotech, Saman Complex, near Satellite Apartment, Satellite, Ahmedabad 380015. Our landline number is +91 079 2675 2333 and +91 079 2675 0333. Thank you so much for watching.